Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. In today's video, we're diving into Pogo Skill Location Changer, one of the top GPS spoofing tools available for Pokemon Go. Whether you're using iOS or Android, this tool makes it super easy to alter your GPS location. If you're into location-based games, Pogo Skill is a fantastic way to enhance your gameplay experience. But it's not just for gamers. This tool is also great for anyone using social media or any apps, allowing you to modify your location for added privacy and security. Whether you want to explore a new area, hide your real location, or even fake your live location on social media, Pogo Skill is a versatile tool to have at your disposal. You can find the download link in the description below. Now let's get into how it works. First, install the program on your PC. Once that's done, launch the software and click the Get Started button. Connect your iPhone or Android device to your PC with a USB cable. Make sure your device is unlocked and properly connected. After that, click Next and wait a moment while the software installs the necessary drivers if you're on iOS. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a user-friendly interface. The search bar lets you look up any location you want to spoof. You also have a variety of location modification options, including single spot movement, multi-spot movement, joystick movement, and jump teleport mode. For example, if I want to change my current location, I simply type into the search bar, hit enter, and click Start to modify my location. You'll see that my location has successfully updated on both my device and PC. With the single spot movement feature, you can travel between 2 points after selecting your start and end locations. You can customize your speed for walking, cycling, biking, or driving. Just click Start and watch your location change accordingly. Next, we have multi-spot movement, which lets you simulate traveling between multiple locations, just like a road trip. Again, you can adjust the speed to fit your journey. Once you've selected your spots and speed, click Start, and the software will automatically simulate your movement. For more dynamic experience, the joystick mode gives you real-time control of your location using an on-screen joystick. You can move in any direction with speed adjustments for walking, cycling, or driving. Finally, with the jump teleport mode, you can instantly jump to any chosen location. Just select your spot, click Start, and your location will be updated immediately. It's a fast and convenient way to relocate. If you ever want to return to your actual location, just click the reset button and you're back to normal. So, Pogo Skill is a powerful tool for spoofing your location, whether you're playing Pokemon Go or using any other location-based app. It's easy to use, packed with features, and helps protect your privacy. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. And remember to like and subscribe to SoftGPT for more amazing tech content. I'll see you in the next video.